Let's do a little rainy day video. I apologize for the sound. I don't have my headphones with me. In the woods in Shirakawa in Fukushima prefecture. And I came across this. There's kind of earthworks all around here, and I do believe, if what I've been noticing on the signs is correct, this was part of an old border area, kind of a demarcation safety thing, I think, on one of the old traveling roads. Not 100% sure. I will look it up later. Check this out. Shrine. Area people's wishes all tied up there. Some nice trees. Bloody mosquito. And then down there goes back towards the main road. So yeah, this is quite the interesting complex up here. It's beautiful. Only the sound of the crows and the rain and the wind in the trees.